Hi, Professor. This is Waiting Yu, and I'm gonna introduce my homework to you. So for the problem one, we can just derivative this one, and we can get the minimize. And here's the calculation. For B, we just replace the we can just replace A as row L, and then we can get this equation. And here's the calculation. And this is the problem 2. So I just input coefficient here, this one for AR and this one for NA, and then we can get the result here, and we can see the absolute value of this one is greater than 1, so it is causal, and because it is the absolute value of this one is not greater than 1, so it's not invertible. So same here, import the value, and we can see a result here. And we can see this one is not greater. This one is not greater than 1, so it's not causal, and this one is not greater than 1 as well, so it's not invertible. And next, this is for the question 3. So let's see the plot first. So here's the plot. We can see there's a trend for going up, and let's see the ACF plot and PACF, and we can see here. And here we can see the NA must be a big value and AR must be 1. So what I use function auto every month here, and try to focus like 10 years after, and here is it, and we can see a summary of this model. Here it is a ERMA model, and for the AR is 1, difference is 1, and NA is 3. And here's a coefficient, and we can see AIC is negative, BIC also negative, which means the model is good. And we can also see the NE is small one, which means model is good. So this is for problem 3. Okay, let's see. So, and next we're gonna go to problem 4. So let's go to the sales data here, and we can see, and because we need the monthly of the sales, so what I did is I just group by the month, group by the date here, and I just group by the month, and sum of all the sales here, and to see it is to make it into a time series data. So yeah, so first we just need date and sales, and then next we just make it into a time series data. Okay, so here we can see we can see here is the ACF plot and also PACF plot. And we can easily know the AR must be 0 here, and the NA must be 1 here. And I use the auto arima function here, and let's see the summary of this model. Wait, yeah. So here's a summary of the model. We can see here is also the ARMA model, and AR is 0, difference is 1, and NA is 1. And we can also see that here's a coefficient, and here's AIC and BIC. And this is my, and yeah, so, and this is a summary, and this is a plot. So this is explanation for my 4 question. Thank you for your time.